installment also in APT?
If your payment term is installment, it will automatically pick up install. It's all dependent on the payment term, no?
Yeah. So we have to configure anything for installment?
No, payment term you have to give while posting the invoice. It will automatically.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, shall we do this now? So I am going to slash n OBYR, which is F symbol. F is what? Down payment request. Okay, click on this. It is already open, no? That's why it is not open. Let's scroll this. Background noise circle. Yeah. OBYR. Click on the F. Okay now. Reconciliation account. Okay now. So now down payment request, right? So what you tell me now what accounts I have to give here? Sundry creditors. Next, special GL account.
Advance one.
2 lakhs. Okay, no down. Okay, done everybody?
Sorry sir, my internet connection is not there properly. Can you please repeat what account you have given?
Same account, our advance to vendors is there, na? So
Okay.
I am giving in some other place, OBYR only, but F symbol, not A.
Okay. So that is subject creditors and this is advance to vendor. It's an asset.
Yes, correct. The creditor status, bank balance.
Advance. Balance is 2 lakhs.
Sir, done, sir.
Okay, done. Now save. Enter. Now we need to understand what is this down payment request. Yeah, we need to know. Okay, now somebody has left advance. Now, so here, just understand, when you are doing the manual down payment, right? Manual down payment, what is that you are doing? You are going to F-48, and in F-48, what is the information you are giving? I will show you, right? What is that information you are? Go to /F-48. Here we are giving the date. We are giving the vendor number. What is our number?
38, sir.
Okay. Like I am giving the, see what is the information I am giving? I am giving my vendor number, correct? And how much amount I want to pay, right?
Yes, sir.
So I am giving the date on which I want to pay, which vendor I want to pay, what amount I want to pay. So So this information I am giving here, na? Correct? But now when I am making the payment through APP, so in F-548 I am giving like this vendor, this day, and this amount, this information I am giving them. So based on this, we are making the payment, correct? But when I am doing the payment through APP, how will APP know that how much amount, which vendor, what date, what amount I want to pay? How will APP know? Correct. See, if there is open item, it will pick up. But for advances, do we have an open item or not?
No.
No. For advances, there is no open item at all, na?
Advance.
It's advance, correct? Yeah. So when there is no open item, how will APP know? Right? APP does not have a sixth sense, na? That you in your mind you are thinking, right? And APP will pay. Correct?
Yes.
Understood, everybody?
Yes.
When you are doing manual payment, you are personally giving this vendor, this date, this amount I want to pay. But when you are doing through APP, no, for advance open item is also not there. Then how will APP know what amount you want to pay, which vendor you want to pay, when you want to pay? Correct? So that information we have to provide to APP. How we will provide? By posting a payment request we will post. Payment request. So it is nothing but a request from the vendor. Consider it, request from vendor to pay advance. That we will post. Payment request is nothing but it's a request from the vendor to pay advance. That we will post. Right, so we have to go to F-4. Where we will post the payment request? We will post it F-47. Understand? In F-47 we will do the payment. Right, it's not payment, right? Payment is different, payment request is different. There is lot of this. So when you do the payment, payment will happen, right? But when you post the down payment request, payment will not happen. Only request will be put. Okay? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
So when you post the down payment request in F-47, what will happen is a noted item will be created. Noted item will be created. Correct? Now, where I can see the noted item? Correct? So here, if you go to FBL1M, right? So here if you come down, you have normal items, you have special items. You know this one? Special items you already know, right?
Yes, sir.
You know or you don't know?
No, sir.
Now I am talking about the third one. Now I am talking about third one, noted item. You understood? So we know this. Now I am talking about the noted item.
So what is the difference between normal items and noted items?
Let me complete, we will understand. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So here we know about normal item.
SBP.
We know about special item. Now I am talking about the noted item. Is that clear? So APP will get the information from here. So system will pick up the down payment information from here. Noted item. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yeah. So a noted item will be created. So the noted item will provide the information needed for the down payment. Right? Okay, note down. A noted item it will provide information to APP with regard to down payment to be made. So based on this, APP will do the down payment. Okay, clear?
So in APP we don't use F-48, sir?
F-48 is manual, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
In APC we will not use F-53 na?
Yes, we don't use that.
Yeah, F-48 is manual payment, right? APC means directly we should be able to pay na?
Yes, sir.
So a system will automatically pay the down payment also. How? Through this request. So this is the link, right? We are seeing something is missing now. What is that missing link? That is the noted item. So through the noted item, system is able to understand the down payment that you want to do. From there we will be doing the payment. Okay? Okay, done. Ready.
No, sir. Wait, sir.
No problem.
Item will be created and it will provide the information to SAP with regard to the down payment to be made. Okay? Right. Okay. So we have done the configuration, right? Yeah. Okay. So now let us proceed with the manual again here. Manual. So manual down payment. Okay. Let me have a recap. So in manual down payment, what we are doing, we have 100% down payment. Correct. 100% down payment we have. Partial down payment we have now. Correct. Okay. Now 100% down payment I am going to discuss. Correct. 100% down payment. First I will go to what I will do. F-48. Make now 100% down payment. What is the thing we are saying here? If we want, okay, if we want goods bar services worth 40,000, right? That's what. Yeah, vendor is asking us to pay.
Advance.
Pay full value 50,000 as advance. Correct.
Yes,
Okay, then next. Then we go to F-48, make down payment to vendor. Correct? How much we are doing? 50,000. Is it plus or minus? It is plus. Plus. Okay, then what we do? This is a plus and it's special GL, correct?
yes.
Then FB60 vendor invoice. Please, somebody, please, whoever it is. 50,000 minus. Correct? That's the normal. Then what do you do?
F-44.
Correct. F-44. We will match and
Clear.
Sir, this is manual clear. No. Yes, I said na here manual only. Okay. First let us recap manual. Then I will do the APC part. Now what I want to do for this, I want to replace this F-48 with what? No. I'm not replacing F-48 with F-48. I'm replacing F-48 with what?
F-48.
F? Correct. That is what I want. So from manual I want to go to F-48 is manual, right? F11 is
Automatic payment.
so I want to replace F-48 with F110, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But here I cannot directly do na F110. Can I do directly? APP does not have sixth sense, na? Correct. So now what I will do before I do F110, I do F-47. Got it? Post down payment request. Correct? Request for 50,000 and we will create a noted item. So based on that, APP will do the payment. Correct? Is it clear? Okay, note down. This is the same. Rest all is the same, right? FP60, F-48, 44, everything is the same. Only we are removing F-48 and replacing it with APP payment. Okay?
We won't be using like why do you make the blue color like we will be using FS16 and F-44 also using?
The APP is not replacing invoice posting. It is automatic payment posting. APP is not
Yes,
automatic invoice posting.
Yes.
Only payment part it is taking care. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's the 48 is replaced by
After
APP.
payment, we need to do manual invoice.
Yes, correct. Invoice is always same, na? It is not automatic invoice posting, na? It is automatic payment posting, na?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Is it
But-
clear?
Okay, sir.
Payment will replace only manual payment. We are replacing with automatic payment. APP is not replacing everything, right? Correct. Only payment part it is replaced.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have little doubt in sir, cash discount, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do this minimum cash discount has any link with our normal payment terms that we have created before?
Cash discount.
Yes, sir.
Of course, it will have. It will apply to all the payment terms at a higher level.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
But FP60 we will post in first, first we'll post invoice, then we will post payment request, right?
So it's 100% down payment. First payment then invoice.
The advance is always invoice, always payment, then invoice. Advance. Advance. Go back and do once again manual process in invoice. Okay. First payment, then invoice.
Before
OBYR F symbol. Yes, you have to do that. Otherwise, you cannot do it.
Hello, sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, it's making more work now, sir. F-47 is doing one time and F110 is doing second time.
Correct.
Okay. Instead of doing this thing, we can make directly in F-48. Why should I create in
And F-44 also we have to match and clear it.
So everything is normal. F-48 instead of F-48, we need to do in F-47 plus F110 two times.
Correct. You are right. But the point here is, we have the organization, we have thousands of vendors. Which vendor, when he is asking, when the request is coming, we don't know, right? So the accountant will be posting the request. Payment will be done by somebody else, higher authority. Yeah, so APP run will be controlled by some, control higher level, right? The CFO will be doing the run.
Okay.
So all the request part is done by the lower level people. Final run will be done by the higher level. So there we have the control. So in one go he will be doing 1,000 down payment possible. Got the point?
Yes, yes.
Sir, repeat again, sir. Sorry.
The down payment requests are posted on several days, several times by the lower level people, right? So they will be saying this vendor asked, that vendor asked, so many people asked, this much advance he asked. So all those requests will be posted by the lower level, accounting, accountant. And all those will be reflecting in the noted item. And then higher level guy, like a finance manager or whatever, he will be doing the payment run. There in the proposal, these items will be pulled up. There he will be having a look and he will decide whether to pay or not. And if he is happy, he will go ahead. Understood?
So he will be just posting it.
The payment run is usually done by a higher authority because he has the power to pay. Posting, you can get the things done by other people.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes.
Sir, do you have a possibility to automatically invoice posting?
Sorry?
Automatic invoice posting, do you have possibility?
Automatic invoice posting is not there. Automatic invoice posting, see, if you have 100, you can upload, right? You can upload, right? So you can, that's the BAPI program we call it. We have to, if it is there, you just upload Excel. If you have all the items in Excel, you can upload. But generally invoice will come in lots, we get one after the other, right? You don't get them in bulk.
Sir, there is something called bin on the vendor.
That's another tool we have, right? You have another tool. That if you have the tool, then other things, to make it simpler, we have those tools will be there supporting the main ERP. Of course, you can.
So there is
Supporting tools to do the process, correct? Okay, done everybody. So let's stop here. Tomorrow I am going to show you the payment request posting and noted item and all that stuff I will show you.
Tomorrow class is there.
Tomorrow class is there. Why, any problem tomorrow?
No, just asking, sir.
Right, then I have to stop here, yeah?
Sir, can you scroll up one? Okay. Still scroll.
This one, huh?
Okay. Little scroll down, sir. Little scroll down. Still.
Yes, this is okay, done?
That's it. Thank you.
Thank you guys, we'll meet tomorrow.
Thank you very much.